Did you know that you can ask or pray for wisdom and it will be given to you? What is wisdom? Is it the minute details in your life or the sum total of all that you do? No, it is more than experience, more than knowledge. It does not merely stay in the head. Rather, it can be found in the doing or the application of knowledge. We do not talk of man's wisdom nor worldly wisdom here in this session. We speak about God's wisdom because it is the best way of living life. How do you get wisdom then? Let us count the ways. 1. Read God's words. The Bible is the source of authority and real guidance in a person's life. It is the ultimate source of wisdom that you cannot find anywhere else. Read even one chapter or one verse a day and meditate on it day and night. 2. Pray and or fast before making a decision. Praying is not just speaking to God or asking Him to do something for your life. More than anything else, it is about listening to God. It is about obeying what God has spoken to you. It is following God's commands before making a decision. His commands are in His words. God speaks to His people through the Scripture, the ultimate source of life. 3. Attend courses, listen to discussions, and read books, then apply the lessons learned in your life. It doesn't matter if you are in your 20s or 70s. When you ask or pray for wisdom, it will be given to you. Remember that work can only truly satisfy when you do it for the glory of God. Four, seek wise counsel. Wise counsel does not go against the Scripture. It follows God's words. Listen to a parent's counsel, a friend, or a professional. Wise counsel is everywhere if you truly seek for it and heed it. Five, walk with the wise. Surround yourself with good people who can add value to your life and whom you can spend quality moments of your life. Life is meant to be lived with peace, faith, hope, love, and joy. The company that you keep should give you this kind of environment. Wisdom, then, is avoiding crisis in life by doing the right thing from the start, because life is difficult. It is getting it right from the very start. Wisdom is obeying God in everything that we do because we follow God's wisdom and not our own. For God will bring every deed into judgment. Yes, every single thing. Finally, wisdom is living life to the fullest by trusting God in whatever life throws at you. To help you do your purpose in life, a healthy lifestyle is important. Check out my ebook, 50 Easy Recipes to Start a Plant-Based and Healthy Lifestyle, available in Amazon KDP on the link below. If you haven't seen the first two videos on 10 jobs in international relations and 7 facts about ASEAN, you can check it out on the link in the description box. I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you in the next one.